Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I'm showing you the Under the Mistletoe Designer Series paper from the Stampin' Up! Holiday Mini Catalog. The catalog just has that small little swatch, so I wanted to show you the pieces in its all glory with the full piece, so you can see how amazing the design is and how beautiful those colors are. This pack is a little bit more rustic with your plaids and some polka dots, and then of course I love this deer print too. I think it is absolutely stunning. And then of course this one has more like pine cones and things like that too. So let's get started on seeing each of these pieces, and be sure to pick out your favorite and let me know in the comments below. Okay, so what did you think of the Under the Mistletoe designer paper? Have you picked out your favorite? I think my favorite is the polka dots here, as well as the plaid in this one. I think those are probably my favorite that I'll be using the most in different cards. But once I start playing with it, sometimes that always changes, so we shall see. Don't forget to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, to see samples using this paper. And of course, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, as I'll be posting more of these designer series paper reveals from the holiday catalog. I'll see you all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.